What's going on, guys? We are back with Ken's Screamy Yell Terminator. We are moments away from the delivery truck to deliver the trans. He ripped this trans out after having an issue with it, sold it, picked up a brand new T56 Magnum, and we're gonna be swapping it in the old Screamy Yell Terminator. If you missed the last video, we tore the engine trans out of this thing last time and did head gaskets, head studs, and put it all back together. And today we're just doing a simple trans install, and yeah, hopefully we can get squared away and out ripping on the road. That is it. That one's not mine though.
Andrew?
Did you film that?
I haven't yet, but
Be able to just loop around.
Hopefully that's okay. Gonna move some stuff around. Get the old termy. Termy. Say termy. Get them all triggered.
Termy?
Yeah. Don't do that. Don't say that. All right. Let's pull my race car out.
You excited there?
Since it's out of time, it'll like fail safe it.
Coyote Sought the world? Coyote Sought the world?
Don't you start. Safe right here, that's why I wanted to put it on the concrete.
Oh, you want to put this window down?
That's good. Like help push a little bit too much. Right?
Yep.
Let's get it going.
Do you have like a ball hitch for the forklift?
Yep.
I guess we have somewhere to connect it to.
Because your car's too nice.
Oh yeah, we're golden. Golden.
Can you stop here? I can grab it. Too far. That was pretty good.
There she is.
That's a unit.
It definitely doesn't belong where it is right now. It's supposed to be back there.
Come show this.
Maybe I already showed it, but yeah.
But seems all right.
So pretty much my dad, he just pulled the trans out of here because it was making some sort of noise. We thought it was soon to malfunction, so we pulled it out, and he bought a brand new one, which is this guy right here. Hopefully this one doesn't have any issues. It was sitting kind of awkward in the box, but I think it's okay. So right now we're just unbolting the exhaust. We just had it up there to kind of have a place for it. We left the bow housing and clutch in it from before, so now the plan is just to kind of just set it on in there and wire and bolt everything back up. So. Okay, so apparently And we did some measurements to find out that this little edge that comes off the T56 will hit the body of the car. So what we're gonna do is we're going to trim that. We're gonna trim this back about 1/4, maybe 1/2 inch, so that way we have no weird vibrations or clearancing issues in the car. So he's got an adjustable one, right? Is that what that is? Adjustable?
Yes.
It's already adjusted to his clutch, so, or adjusted to his clutch fork setup, so we're just gonna use this one.
I just want you to, you know, we'll touch and.
Okay. So the transmission wasn't going in, like it wasn't seating inside.
To be fair, when you're frustrated with something,
To be fair,
sometimes it's nice to just get a fresh set of hands and they just.
Yeah, me and my dad were over here trying to get this going for like an hour, and then Andrew just comes over and he just like nudges the back and bam, it went in.
Brad and I over here are planning the future success. Big things.
I love big things.
Yes, you do, Brad. Yes, you do.
On the way over here, we got trans fluid. We had the O'Reilly's guy look up the Toyota Tacoma water pump gasket.
yes.
All right, so transmission is in. I've been working on this all day. No, just kidding. Ken's been over here getting the transmission in. I helped a little bit.
You gave it the perfect nudge it needed just to go
A little
inside.
nudge.
Okay, so
Yeah, you can see it right there.
for future reference, or if anyone's trying to do this swap by themselves, can someone give me some light so I can see better? It looks like the bottom one didn't need.
Yeah, only the top, and maybe this one right here.
Yeah, the one that's over to the side.
Yeah.
Yeah. What
Better safe than sorry.
What else did he have to do to this to get this Magnum in here?
Oh, that's pretty much it.
It's pretty simple. I mean, dude, if you buy a used Terminator Cobra and you're a T56, just like it doesn't shift good, like doesn't grind or whatever, sell that and go get a 26 spline clutch because you have to do it anyways, and get a T56 Magnum and swap it in. This trans is so much better, and the reason why you actually have to chop that down a little bit is because this is not like your traditional T56. This is very similar to a TR6060. Yeah, so this is a 6060. The 6060 is a much better trans than the traditional T56, and then the Magnum, I mean, they're pretty affordable considering what they do.
There's a lot of people out there that think they're like $6,000 or something, but no, it's only like
Yeah,
$3+ grand.
Your Cobra already has the bell housing there. I mean, it's such an easy swap, and you get a really good shifting trans. My 03 Cobra Terminator, I could shift it pretty decent, but no matter what, it just did not shift as fast as like even a 3650 or a T45. Like you would always have to just hold back just a little bit, and these things just shift so well. I mean, they're built for a lot of power. Skip all the 26 spline input shaft on a T56 and just go to a Magnum. It's just so easy. Plus, you can sell your T56 to basically pay for this swap. This is my first time driving a Magnum. First impressions right off the bat, just backing it out of the shop. Reverse, like if you own a Cobra or even a GT500, reverse, your mind is blown already. Reverse, so easy to get into. Shifter wise, you know, with the clutch in, it feels super simple, smooth. So let's go drive it. Let's see what we think. We got McLeod RXD, catch points all the way at the top. Shifts really good. We got third, got fourth. I'm gonna put these up a little bit. Yeah, I think we should make like a full review video on your car. This thing's pretty cool. It's got an MS3 Pro, so I want to talk about that. Just make a full review video, because this is, we don't even know how much power it makes. Somewhere in the neighborhood of 7, 8, 900 horsepower. Somewhere around there. We don't know. But yeah. So far, trans shift's super smooth. I mean, this is right out of the box. Slapped it in, ready to go. Is there a break-in period? You want to test it out, or what do you want to do?
It didn't say anything about it, so
I've never heard of a break-in period.
no.
You want to try it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Does it spin from second?
It might.
We'll see. This shit's real good. You're gonna make me do bad things. I'm gonna want another one again.
It's fun.
It's fun. Damn it! Dude, the reverse alone, look at that. Let's see if we can stick second. Yeah, that's a little hot. So good. I lifted on that one just to feel it out, see what it does. It feels great. So comment down below if you want to see a full review video on the Screaming Yellow Terminator. Hit the like button. If you want to trim it, T56 Magnum, I'll probably have some links down there if you need some more info. Comment it. Yeah. Comment if you think I should get another Terminator. No, don't. Because the reason why I bought a supercharger for the other Terminator, which I don't even know if I'll have that video released yet, is because I was watching the old Terminator videos and Blake got me going, and then I just went online on Facebook, typed in a little thing, and I bought a supercharger. So it's how it happened. So like the video, lots of good stuff coming, and we'll see you in the next one.